Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Premiere Pro for Dynamic Link with After Effects step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Make sure you have Adobe After Effects installed on the same computer. In Premiere Pro, navigate to the Edit menu. Select Preferences from the drop-down. In the Preferences menu, click on Playback. Ensure that Enable Mercury Transmit is checked. Next, locate the media category in the Preferences menu. Make sure the Enable Dynamic Link option is enabled. Click OK to save your changes and exit the Preferences menu. Now, open Adobe After Effects. Create a new project or open an existing one. In After Effects, go to the Edit menu. Select Preferences and then Import. Ensure that Import Premiere Pro Project option is checked. Click OK to save your preferences in After Effects. Return to Premiere Pro and import your footage. Drag your video clips into the timeline. To create a dynamic link, right-click on your clip in the timeline. Select Replace with After Effects Composition from the Context menu. Adobe After Effects will automatically open with a new composition containing your selected clip. Now you can edit your clip in After Effects. Any changes made will instantly reflect in Premiere Pro. Once you finish your edits in After Effects, save the project. Close After Effects when you're done. Back in Premiere Pro, your updated clip will be displayed. Ensure that both applications remain open while working with Dynamic Link. Whenever you need to make adjustments, simply double-click the After Effects composition in Premiere Pro. Remember to save your project frequently in both applications. This configuration will streamline your workflow between Premiere Pro and After Effects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.